Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tubi app weekly icon settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Tubi and you will enter here in this page. Then in this window of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.